Imagine this, a blinding light, a wave of heat, silence, then chaos. You survived a nuclear blast, but here's the real question, can you survive what comes next? Nuclear war sounds like the end of everything, but for the unlucky survivors, it's only the beginning. Fisst, let's talk about the bomb. Modern nuclear weapons are thermonuclear, millions of times more powerful than World War II bombs. They start with fission, splitting atoms to release energy. Then comes fusion, smashing hydrogen atoms together to unleash a fireball hotter than the sun. Blast radius, several kilometers. Heat, incinerates everything in sight. Radiation, the silent killer that lingers. If the explosion doesn't get you, radiation might. It comes in 3 terrifying flavors. Alpha particles, big and slow, can't penetrate skin, but inhale them and they'll destroy your lungs from the inside. Beta particles, smaller, can burn your skin, contaminate food, kill slowly. Gamma rays, no mercy. They rip through buildings, clothes, your body, damaging your DNA like a microscopic chainsaw. So, who actually lives? Here's where it gets interesting. Radiation doesn't treat everyone the same. Studies show men are slightly more resistant to radiation-induced cancers than women. People aged 20 to 40 have the best survival odds. Why? Kids' cells divide too fast, more room for error. Older people, weaker immune response. Basically, if you're youngish, male and healthy, you're playing on easy mode, relatively speaking. Some people are born with faulty DNA repair genes, like those with ataxia telangiectasia, rare but deadly. Radiation triples their risk of death, but even without rare conditions, your genes matter. Some people's cells just repair faster, others, let's just say, evolution isn't always fair. You can tilt the odds in your favor. Quit smoking. Radiation plus cigarettes equals instant cancer cocktail. Get fit. A healthy body handles stress and toxins better. Eat right. Antioxidants help fight DNA damage. Every good habit adds a buffer. And in a post-nuclear world, even a tiny edge could mean survival. But here's the truth. Even if you survive the blast, the heat, and the fallout, there's still the collapse of society. No clean water, no food supply, no medicine. You'll face disease, violence, starvation, and the mental toll of watching your world disappear. Winning in a nuclear apocalypse? It's not about being the toughest, it's about being the last one left with hope. So who survives a nuclear war? The lucky, the healthy, the prepared? But maybe the better question is, how do we make sure we never find out? If this blew your mind, hit that subscribe button. Because at Think Nibble, we dig deep into the biggest questions and leave you smarter in 5 minutes or less.